Jubayr bin Mut'im radiyallahu anhu, he went to Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam one day and he asked him a question. He said, Ya Rasulullah, ayyul buldani shar? He said to him, O Messenger of Allah, which land is the worst? What is the worst land? Now, I stop here and I say something. If you are asked this question, if someone came to you and said to you, what is the worst land on earth? How many would be quick to answer? Many would give an answer from whatever they think is the worst land. Let's see what the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to Jubayr. He said to him, La adri, I don't know. فلما أتاه جبريل, when Jibreel came to the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, قال يا جبريل أي البلدان شر? Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked Jibreel, he said to him, Ya Jibreel, what is the worst land from the entire globe? What's the worst land? So Jibreel said, La adri, I don't know. حتى أسأل ربي, I don't know until I go and ask my Lord. So Jibreel went. ثم مكث ما شاء الله أن يمكث. When Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam remained with the same answer that he had, La adri, I don't know, until Jibreel went to Allah Azza wa Jalla and asked him and came back. Then Jibreel said, Ya Muhammad, إنك سألتني أي البلدان شر? You asked me, what is the worst land? And I said to you, لا أدري. I said to you, I don't know. وإني سألت ربي. And I asked my Lord this question. أي البلدان أشر? I asked my Lord, what is the worst land? And Allah Azza wa Jal said, أسواقها, its marketplaces. The idea is that what happens on the marketplace is what makes the marketplace the worst land of lying, cheating, deception, the opposite genders looking at each other, fraud, shortchanging others, the corruption that happens. That's why it is the worst land. But the idea is, look at the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. For a question you and I would think is as simple as whatever, anyone could answer it. What's the worst land? Let me have a crack and answer the way I like to answer. When Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam is saying, La adri, I don't know. Jibreel is saying, I don't know. How many are answering questions that are tougher than this question without knowledge? My brothers and sisters in Islam, my khutbah today is to discuss with you a major, severe crime that is happening on a daily basis, on an hourly basis. And this crime that I'm going to share with you, it is worse than ash-shirku billah. Rather, the ulama rahimahumullah, they say it is the essence, it is the root cause of why shirk is widespread. And unfortunately, many Muslim brothers and sisters fall into this major crime and in this major sin. And this is al-qawlu ala Allahi bighayri ilm, speaking on behalf of Allah Azza wa Jal without knowledge.